In this beginner video series, I will teach you how to meditate and breathe properly to help you relax and let go of stress, anxiety, and other negative emotions. Subscribe to not miss the new video from the series. Day 3. Sensations. Hello and welcome to Dopamine. Do you already notice that it is easier for you to maintain a sitting position during meditation? Finding a new comfortable sitting position will become easier and easier, and in general, the feeling of the natural flow of breath and immersion in how the sensations in the body change, this is the most enjoyable part of our introductory meditation practices. However, in addition to these pleasant moments, you probably notice a constant stream of thoughts in your head. Don't blame yourself for this, because it is completely natural and exactly the way it should be. Okay, now let's get started. Get comfortable and start to relax your whole body. Let it press its weight on the floor. Exhale after exhale. Because we mostly use our bodies all day long, it doesn't matter how active or passive. When we sit down in this meditation posture, we immediately feel the awareness of the body, instead of just making a chaotic flow of movements. Now, let's slow down a little more and ground ourselves in this pose, allowing yourself to get heavier and heavier with every exhale. Take a nice and deep breath in. As you exhale, relax your arms and shoulders. And another deep and slow breath in. And as you exhale, let your legs and feet become heavier and press on the floor. And another slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let all the muscles of your face relax. Watch how natural your breathing has become. Try to just watch your breath like you're watching a movie. Observe the natural sensations of each inhalation and how these sensations fade with each exhalation. They are like waves moving on the surface of the ocean. Once again, note in which part of the body you feel the breath the most. Follow your breath to that part of your body, and then, like a wave, roll back. Watch how this part of the body is filled with each inhalation and as if emptied with each exhalation. And the longer you stay in this part of the body, the more transformative each inhalation and each exhalation will be. Breathing becomes slower and softer. Not analyzing. Just try to feel the difference in the sensations you experience. What do you feel when you inhale? What are the sensations on the exhale? How does your body feel inhaling today? And how does it respond to exhalation? Keep watching your breath like the waves in the ocean. Without disturbing the state of awareness, slowly open your eyes. If they were open, start slowly moving your eyes from object to object. How are you feeling right now? Be aware of this step. Step forward on your path to meditation. Thank you for the practice. I am so proud of you, and I hope to see you soon.